Hey, what's up? Sammy here. If you do any electric scooter research on Geekbuying, you will find numerous types of scooters: 4 wheels, 2 wheels, 1 wheel, crazy fast ones, slow ones. Some are easy to learn, some you are never gonna learn to ride. Just kidding, they're all very easy to learn. So when the company introduces the Kugoo ES2, I was like, what's new about it? Who is this for? How easy it comparing to the Mijia M365 Pro? Then I realized the best way to answer them is to test them in real life. Let's go! Comparing to its predecessors, the ES2 feels much more polished and premium. It's totally redesigned. It has added a handbrake in addition to the normal one, which makes your riding more safe. You can even connect to the ES2 through your phone now. Though the app is pretty simple, you can even find a USB port to charge your phone while riding. The last major upgrade is the folding mechanism. Just step down the latch, pull the pole down, it will automatically lock tight. That's a really smart design. A big thought in my mind when I get a new product is, who is this for? I guess the first reason most people are buying this scooter is for daily commuting. With that being said, portability, safety, and stability are the most 3 key factors for scooters as such. But for the first one, it's easy to fold and carry, so no problem when you take to the bus or metro and go down or upstairs when there is no elevator. It weighs about 16 kilograms. It's a bit heavy for girls, men too, but you know, sometimes weight means quality. So how is the quality of the scooter? That's pretty solid. I think with this quality, you do feel safe riding on it. Other features like the bright lights all over the scooter, which make you more visible on the road at night, even make you feel much safer. Now, the stability. The ES2 features 8.5-inch honeycomb tires. The performance is not as good as those pneumatic air tires on Xiaomi, but better than those solid tires on the Kugoo ES1. So the stability is between the 2 types of scooters. I cannot say it's perfectly comfortable, but it's acceptable. And one good thing is you don't have to worry something puncturing the tire. Good. As of now, if you are not convinced by ES2's portability, safety, and stability, other features might have got you covered. There's 25 kilometers range on a single charge and a maximum 25 kilometers power speed. Great to have fun with your friends. A 2.6-inch LCD screen that's crystal clear even under the direct sunlight. And last is the price. It's about $111 less than the Mijia Scooter Pro. What are you waiting for? For more, you can check out the link in the description. I'm Sammy. See you next time.